Welcome everyone! Today I will show you how to make comforting homemade chicken wonton soup. Please note the ingredients, then we will start to make the step-by-step recipe. Start with ground chicken thigh meat because it stays juicy and flavorful after cooking. Add light soy sauce to the chicken for deep savory flavor and balanced seasoning. Drizzle sesame oil into the mixture to bring a warm, nutty aroma to the filling. Next, add freshly grated ginger for brightness and gentle warmth inside the wonton filling. Add fine minced garlic, which enhances flavor and complements the chicken beautifully. Season with white pepper and salt to balance flavors and enhance the natural chicken taste. Gently mix everything together just until combined, avoiding overmixing to keep filling soft. Place a wonton wrapper flat on a clean surface, ready for shaping delicate dumplings. Add about 1 teaspoon of chicken filling right in the center of wrapper. Lightly moisten wrapper edges with water to help seal the wontons securely. Fold the wrapper into a triangle and press edges firmly to seal the filling. Bring the 2 bottom corners together and pinch gently to create the classic wonton shape. Repeat the same process until all the filling is used and wontons are ready. Now let's prepare the broth, the heart of every comforting bowl of wonton soup. Add chicken stock, sliced ginger, and crushed green onions into a large cooking pot. Bring the broth slowly to a gentle simmer over medium heat to develop flavor. Let the broth simmer for 15 minutes so ginger and onions infuse aroma. Remove ginger and onions, then season broth with soy sauce and sesame oil. Taste carefully and adjust salt depending on your preferred flavor balance. Gently add prepared wontons into the simmering broth without overcrowding the pot. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes until wontons float and wrappers turn translucent. Add bok choy, spinach, or noodles if you want a heartier bowl. Serve hot, garnish with green onions or chili oil, and enjoy your homemade chicken wonton soup. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned with me for more delicious Chinese recipes.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends. For more delicious recipes, visit dintaifungmenu.com.